And I came from a household when we were growing up. I'm really blessed to have had this foundation of natural healthcare first, right? So holistic health food stores. I grew up with apple cider vinegar in our house, right? No sugar cereals, no sodas. So I was really blessed with that. But I had kind of gotten off track and all these illnesses. I was always running to the doctor and getting antibiotics, and I just wasn't getting any better. I was actually getting worse with how fast and furious these things were happening. So, and I'm talking about colds, flus, upper respiratory stuff, that kind of thing. And so I started down an approach of okay, I'm going to start going holistic. I'm going to really just start doing nutritional things and caring for myself through going to the health food store, taking supplements and things like that. And when you're turning that ship around, it takes a little longer. It doesn't you don't flip the switch and all of a sudden, you were at optimal health. So it was taking a little time. Meanwhile, looking for every kind of clue or thing that I could do to help ease the situation with my husband because that gap was widening and it was becoming a household of conflict. And so I was, at one point shoving crystals underneath the mattress to hopefully help him heal, right? So always looking for some other option.